I'm clear now.
Wonderful. May I know your name, my friend? Your
So,
name? Your
I'm
name?
Schneider. I'm Schneider.
Snyder.
I'm
Wow.
Schneider, but yeah. What
Nice.
about you?
My name is Adi. You can call me Adi. All right.
Okay, I did. It's a pleasure to see you, but nice to meet
Okay.
you.
Nice to meet you too, bro. So, where do you
Okay.
live? Where do you live, my friend? Where are you from?
I'm from Haiti, but you,
All right. Haiti. Haiti, right?
Haiti.
Wow,
Yeah,
nice.
Haiti.
I'm from Indonesia.
But you're from Indonesia.
Yes, you know Indonesia?
Yeah, I know Indonesia.
Wonderful.
Um,
Yeah, that's great, my friend.
uh,
So my question
yeah,
is, I want to give you a question.
yeah.
Why do you want to learn English, my friend?
Uh, that's a beautiful question because
Okay.
I
Mm-hmm.
want to learn English because English is very important.
Wow.
Nowadays, if you speak
Mm-hmm.
English, but it's very I can say
Mm-hmm.
if you speak English, you can find a job. English is a commercial language.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Nice.
Nowadays,
Mm-hmm.
everybody
Mm-hmm.
go to the institute to learn English.
All
But
right. All right. Mm-hmm.
the reason
Mm-hmm.
I
Mm-hmm.
learn English, yeah, that
Mm.
term. But I need to
Wonderful.
find a job to work, but I don't know.
But your English is good, my friend. That's the reason you learn English, right?
Yeah,
Wonderful.
yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Well, my friend,
But
yeah, go ahead. You can say something.
okay, yeah. I'm gonna tell you something.
Okay.
I want to know. If you're a teacher in English, I don't know. Can you tell me if you're a teacher, but
Oh.
in intermediate in
Ah.
English?
Okay. Yeah. I'm an English teacher. You're so right. But your English is
Okay,
better.
that's good.
But your English is better than me. Okay, my friend.
Okay,
I think it's okay, right? All right. It's
yeah,
okay,
that's
right?
good.
Thanks a
Okay,
lot.
but even though,
Thanks a lot, my friend. Okay.
okay, thanks to you too.
See you next time.
Even though if
Yes.
you have the time, you want to practice, but I will be there.
All right, all right. Thanks a lot. And I will
Uh,
upload on YouTube. It's
uh,
okay? I will upload on YouTube. Never mind.
yeah, it's not
All
okay.
right.
I never mind.
Good. Thanks a
Good.
lot, my friend.
Okay,
We'll talk later, okay? We'll talk later. See you next time.
okay. It's really grateful. Okay, I got you.
All right. See you next time from Indonesia. All right.
Okay, that's good.
Wow.
Next time,
Okay.
a beautiful day. I don't know.
Yeah. See ya, my friends.
Yeah.
Have a great day. How?
Okay, goodbye.
All right. We'll talk later, okay?
Okay.